the little red button?
Yeah.
Push the little red button. And you may want to put on a seatbelt.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Hope everyone had a nice Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate, and you're looking forward to the new year. One of the presents that I bought myself for the C7 Corvette, this little red engine stop cover. It's actually real carbon fiber. It's got 3M double-sided tape on the back. Picked it up off of Amazon. I think it was like $17.59. I'll put a link down below. If you're interested in finding one, just click that link. It should take you right to it. So as simple as it seems, I'm going to show you the right way to prep your surface before you go putting things on like this, especially on the engine start button, because that's where your greasy little finger's been. And 3M double-sided tape does not stick to greasy surfaces. So here's how you do it. First thing you do, get you a little bit of rubbing alcohol, get you some Q-tips, put a dab of rubbing alcohol on it, and give the surface a good wipe to clean all that oil and gunk off of there. Take yourself a nice clean rag that hasn't been used to check your oil. Your surface should now be prepped to go ahead and apply the little carbon fiber cover on there. I'm going to show you a cool little hack to make sure that your interior accessories go on straight before you stick it in place. And I'm going to do that with a piece of clear Scotch tape. Go on the back side and we'll see if we can peel.
One eternity later.
Got it, I think. Yep, got it. All right, so with the clear Scotch tape, you can see right through it. You can see where it's gonna get lined up, maybe. Push it down firmly. Now you have a red start-stop button. A couple of things that I do like about this is it is real carbon fiber. It has a slit cut in it right here, so you'll see the orange light when you're in accessory. When the car is running, it'll turn green. And probably the last thing is who really doesn't want to push the red button? Just give that a push and turn the light on. And off, so my phone doesn't connect to it, screw up my video. And that's it. You're done. And now you can push a red button all you want. Oh y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you found it helpful, or you like the product, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch y'all next year.